I decided to move away from randomized rooms to pre-designed rooms. This had the benefit of simplifying complexity and improving replayability, so players can go back and improve previous attempts with the same room layout. As a result, I had to go back and trim out a bunch of code that generated random rooms. As you can see, this one file goes from about 800 lines to 500 on my first pass. The rundown for today's episode: first, delete random rooms, which we just did, show off the visual improvements of the game, and cover the feature list that I have in mind. Alright, let's check out the progress I've made. We'll look at the old prototype version versus the current version. Here is the original prototype version from the first devlog. As you can tell, it's pretty basic. Now here are a couple of peeks at the game in its current state. These early rounds aren't very challenging, but I focused on creating or collecting items that would belong in one type of room or another, so I can create cohesive rooms. For example, you'll see a bathroom with a sink, shower, and toilet. I've also begun adjusting the light for various rooms so the light on the lamps can light the room more effectively themselves. So the last thing I would like to do in this devlog is to share a short list of features that I think would be cool, but I would really like to get some feedback on. There are 3 features I have in mind: battery management, dustbin management, and achievements. The battery feature would essentially be a UI element that looks like a battery, and it would require the player to head back to the charging base to quickly recharge. The dustbin feature is similar, but would be a UI element that indicated how much storage was available in the vacuum, and when full, the vacuum would no longer be able to clean. These 2 features would make the player consider the way they clean a room or set of rooms to try to optimize cleaning, charging, and emptying of the dustbin. The last feature I have in mind is achievements. I'm thinking things like cleaning a room in under 5 seconds, cleaning 10 rooms without retracing a single tile, and so on. I think that's going to wrap up this devlog. Thanks for your time, I appreciate you watching. I hope to see you in the next one.